Hello and welcome to a new episode of Voice Games. Today we're gonna be making a speech to text app, STT, speech to text. What you can basically do, you're gonna add a text view and add a button. Text view, make width match parent. Button, make width match parent. Text view, gonna make the weight, gonna make it 1. It's gonna be 1:0. Click on button, event on click. You're gonna come here, come to component, add a speech to text component. My name is speech to text. So we're gonna you have to start listening. So now we're gonna now come to events, come down to components, click on the plus sign, add these 2 events. On speech response, click on it. Come down to components. Okay, you're gonna come down to file view. You're gonna get set text to this result. Text view 1. On speech error, I'm gonna toast a message to know if it's not hearing us. I can't hear you. Save. So you're just gonna come back here, run the app, and it should work perfectly. Install, open, allow, make sure you allow it. Listen to me. See, it can't hear me. So now if you type it again, hello. Okay, it can't hear me because of the screen recording, but if I stop it, it should work. So hopefully it works for you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.